Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make キャベツのステーキガリバタ醤油ソース。It's cabbage steak with garlic butter soy sauce. Such a simple and easy dish, but the sauce makes the whole dish so special and delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the steak, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Cabbage. I'm using half of this. 3 tablespoons each of soy sauce, mirin and butter, and some garlic, as much as you like. As always, all the cutting first. So garlic. Let's just make them into thin slices. And cabbage. I'm going to use half of this. And let's just cut this into 4 with the core on. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium to medium-low heat. And let's put the cabbage. Cover with the lid and cook for 7 to 8 minutes until the bottom side is nicely burned. If the lid doesn't close like this, it's okay, it will eventually. Once the bottom side is nicely burned like this, flip them over and cook the other side for 7 to 8 minutes. Nice burn on the other side of the cabbage too. The cabbage is braised with the moisture of itself, so it's so soft and moist. Let's take them out on a serving plate. In the same frying pan, put all the ingredients for the sauce. Butter, mirin, soy sauce, and garlic. Just cook it for 2-3 minutes. Okay, turn the heat off and the sauce is ready. Smelling so good. Put the sauce on the cabbage. Some black pepper if you like. And キャベツのステーキガリバタ醤油ソース is ready to go. Time for the tasting. It's so soft and I can easily cut with the chopsticks. いただきます。It's just cabbage, but the sauce made it so rich and flavorful. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. キャベツのステーキ is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Anything you like for the other dishes. But how about katsudon here, which will also cover the main, and bean sprout miso soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!